DKNG stock analysis and DKNG stock prediction. This is for tomorrow and onward, like mainly next week, Monday, 16th of June type of things. What I'll be doing here is just giving you my exact play, how I've done it before. You know, this is so decent because here's the before. Bro, like literally something that was made on 3rd of June, like 12 days ago. There you go. Like he was sitting at 333.73 at the time, post-market. And this is exactly what I'm seeing. So ideally, I just want to see a full candle close above 38.84. If that doesn't quite happen, it keeps melting. Well, I guess this demand can also be something to be used. It's like a demand zone to hopefully take it up, you know, but randomly buying is not going to be happening. And you can see with DKNG, I have previous results here. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading and want to stay tuned with DKNG for free, yeah, feel free to just check the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. I'll keep you updated daily. Goodbye and enjoy. See you.